The architecture of traditional telephony resembles silos. Every location is independent with its own PBX, voicemail, and ACD. All in all, a surefire recipe for dial tone. But that'll cost you. With 3 locations, you'll have 3 PBXs, 3 voicemails, 3 ACDs, and who knows how many people to support it. Which means 9 things to update when you add a user, 9 sets of licenses, 9 kinds of headache. And that's just for 3 sites. Imagine if you had 12 or 20, and that's only for IT. Users don't have it much better. Most IP technology replaced silos with a centralized architecture and a WAN link. That puts your call processing server in one site, your phones and gateways in others, and centralizes things like voicemail and advanced apps. But what if you lose your WAN connection? Yikes. Vendors like to use full or partial call control solutions to back up these systems, but that's kind of like towing an entire spare car with you just in case you get a flat. So, next time you're asked to choose between simplicity and reliability, choose both. Choose ShoreTel. ShoreTel set out in 1996 to do IP telephony the right way. And they started by asking, how would it work if voice were just another app? The answer is a system that runs on your IP network, replacing silos and centralized scenarios with a distributed architecture that builds in reliability, ease of management, and ease of use. Let's take a look. At the heart of the solution are voice switches, embedded appliances that provide the voice services users need to communicate on their device of choice, whether or not it's a ShoreTel phone. Each voice switch includes a copy of the key information about the system so it can handle user requests and independently connect calls. Put 2 voice switches on the network and the distributed magic kicks in. The switches instantly find each other, exchange information, and combine themselves into a single system. Distributed isn't just smart, it's scalable. To make your system bigger, just add switches. Whether you're having a growth spurt or adding a new location, you just plug in switches enough to accommodate the number of users. No matter what size you scale to, you'll know that once your ShoreTel system is up and running, it will stay there. So, now that you've seen the difference a distributed architecture makes, the only question really is, when are you going to go with a brilliantly simple IP phone system?